Hello friends, today our topic is Introduction of Table Tennis. Introduction means the action of introducing something or a formal presentation of one person to another in which each told the other's name is called introduction of a relationship between a pot and a hole is called of table tennis, an indoor game based on tennis played with small bats and ball bounced on a table divided by a net is called table tennis. The game of table tennis has its roots in lawn tennis. Game, an activity that one engages in for amusement or fun, is called game. Table tennis. Table tennis is an indoor game based on tennis played with small bats and ball bounced on a table divided by a net is called table tennis. Has its roots means origin of the table tennis in lawn tennis. Lawn tennis originally named lawn tennis game in which two opposing players or pairs of players use tautly strung racket to hit a ball of specified size, weight and bounce over a net on a rectangular court is called lawn tennis. When lawn tennis became very popular in the 1870s and 1880s, means the game of tennis now became even more popular with the royal court in England. Henry VIII was known to have built a tennis court in Hampton Court Palace and played the game. In fact, one of the earliest known games of doubles originated at this time. Game makers tried to emulate its success by developing indoor versions of the game. Means those who created game attempt to reproduce another type of activity typically carried out either in the home or in a specially constructed indoor is called game. Makes tried to emulate its success by developing indoor versions of the game. J. H. Singer of New York around 1884 developed it and also known as the game of table tennis. Means J. H. Singer, who belongs to a largest city of New York in USA and whose name also appears on the catalog, rare board and dice game. In 1884, he developed another game and known as table tennis which was offered in 1887 game of George S. Parker, founder of the famed Parker Brothers in the USA. Means George Parker was an American toy and game manufacturer. More than 1800 games were published under the Parker Brothers name since 1883, and the game of table tennis provided to the fans of the game. Table tennis is also known as a ping pong in many countries. Means table tennis, also called trademark ping pong ball game, similar in principle to a lawn tennis and played on a flat table divided into two equal courts by a net fixed across its width at the middle. The game is popular all over the world. The game was introduced in England in some time towards the end of the 1800s, means on 15 July 1890, when David Foster of England introduced the first action game of tennis on a table in 1890. Only the example is known to have survived, and it is now on the display in the ITTF Museum. In the earlier days, for playing the game means too soon to be sure about the game has been played on a table on which meals are served in a dining room on the ball used as the outer work of an oak. What over the decades the game received a few changes in England, means a period of 10 years the game of table tennis received a small number of changes occur in England. In the year 1926, the International Table Tennis Association was formed, means in 1926 the International Table Tennis Federation formed is the governing body for all the national table tennis associations. Slowly the table tennis go to spread in Japan and various other Asian countries, means not quickly or at a slow speed. Table tennis games scattered in Japan and all over the globe and the Asian countries. Then Japanese dominated the sport for much of the 50s and 60s, means the 1950s saw a big change in the technology used in table tennis bats. Japan emerged as a breeding ground of champion, and from that time the men's team event has been won by Japanese player. However, later it faced stiff competition from the Chinese, means in whatever way strong contest faced by Japanese player from the Chinese players. Table tennis was included in the Olympic event in the 1988s, means table tennis became an Olympic sport in 1988 with singles and doubles competition for men and women. Thanks and have a nice